My name is Stephanie. I'm a Communications and Community Engagement Coordinator for the Renton Police Department. I've been with the department for 8 years. The Youth Academy is one of the programs that we do to help create positive relationships with the youth in our community. We strongly believe in community engagement and outreach to our young people. So in my role, I get to coordinate and oversee a variety of community police academies. And we've had a traditional academy and a variety of others, including a teen academy that our SROs have done in the past. And I really saw a need for creating a youth academy for middle schoolers. They're at that age group where they're kind of like the most impressionable, so why not create a program where we're engaging with them to teach them about different roles of first responders, as well as life skills regarding decision making and that kind of thing.
Was anyone else involved in the bank robbery?
No, it was just me. They get to use their problem-solving skills and get to interact with officers, special agents, fire, EMS in a fun, comfortable setting. We have a mock crime scene. They get to solve a case. They get to witness a helicopter landing.
I got to participate in a lot of fun activities with the police officers, such as the mock crime scene and fingerprint lifting, which was really fun. I also got to see the Guardian 1 helicopter land, and I got to tour it, which was really cool.
The sense of community, like every day when he would come back from camp, he was so excited and he would tell me about his day and he was ready to go back to the next day to explore more.
It was actually really fun, like get to knowing the police officers, like meeting these police officers and having like friendliness more than just a regular conversation.
The Youth Academy is a partnership effort with 4 core agencies, but overall there were 14 different agencies that helped make this happen. So it's all about building positive relationships with our officers and other first responders.
We're going to start with the dispatch call. Make sure you guys take notes and do all that good stuff. My name is Ryan. I have been a police officer with the city of Renton for 2 years. So this is actually my second year being involved with the Youth Academy. Since last year, we actually included another day in the Youth Academy, and it's gained a lot of support from the community, and they want more. I think the middle school age is a very formative time for children. What's really important with the Youth Academy is it provides an outlet and an opportunity for officers and the youth to meet on a different foot. A lot of the times, especially when you call me, I'm showing up to your worst day. That interaction doesn't necessarily breed a very habitable environment to have a conversation, sit down and get to know each other on a human level. And I think interpersonal communication, especially amongst youth where there's so many distractions around them, is really pivotal, and I think the Youth Academy gives that opportunity for the youth to really speak with officers and other people in the public safety realm.
And the last day we have this formal graduation ceremony where each squad has a representative or 2 that gets up and speak about their experience. So it was really great to see these kids say how amazing this experience was for them, how they learned leadership skills, how they made new friends.
I really appreciate it to everybody here that helped organize this, and I'm really happy for all the friends I made here at this program.
You hope that this is going to empower our young people. You hope that they're going to gain some knowledge and skills, and actually seeing it happen, that was really rewarding.
This was a very rewarding experience for me, and I made so many new friends.
So many summer camps you do, but like when he came from this one, I just felt like he was like, Mom, I really want to be a police officer. And I'm like, yes, great.
If you're hesitant to sign up, don't be, because it's a great opportunity.
I look forward to seeing the Youth Academy next year and hopefully the Teen Academy soon.